How to start learning English. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Do you want to learn English but don't know where to start? Maybe you feel overwhelmed by grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Or perhaps you've tried before but lost motivation. Don't worry. Today, I'll share Daniel's story, a student who started learning English from zero and found the best way to improve. His experience will give you the confidence and strategy to begin your English journey today. A life-changing encounter. Daniel's story begins on a train. One day, he sat near two English-speaking women. He didn't know much English, but he wanted to speak with them. He gathered his courage and started a simple conversation. It wasn't perfect, but it made him feel excited about learning English. That moment changed everything for him. Starting without a teacher. After that train ride, Daniel made a decision. He would learn English, but he didn't know where to begin. He didn't have a teacher, and he wasn't sure what to study. So, he started by listening and reading as much as possible. He watched English videos, listened to simple conversations, and wrote down new words. He studied every day for 6 months, but something was missing. He needed real practice. Joining a language school. That's when Daniel decided to join a language school. In his first class, he was nervous. He didn't know if he could speak well, but his teacher encouraged him. She told him that making mistakes was okay, and that the most important thing was to communicate. The class was different from what he expected. Instead of just studying grammar, they talked about their hobbies, favorite foods, and daily routines. It was fun and engaging. Daniel realized that learning English wasn't just about memorizing words. It was about using them. His teacher gave him some simple but powerful advice. Speak as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. This changed his mindset. He started talking more in class and noticed that he was improving quickly. Effective learning methods. To practice even more, Daniel used different methods. One technique that helped him a lot was shadowing. He listened to native speakers and repeated their words immediately. At first, it was difficult, but over time, his pronunciation and fluency improved. He also kept a small notebook where he wrote down new words and phrases. He reviewed them every day and tried to use them in conversations. Facing challenges. Of course, Daniel faced challenges. One of his biggest struggles was understanding different English accents. When he listened to native speakers, sometimes he couldn't catch every word. He felt frustrated, but his teacher told him not to worry. She explained that it's normal and that he should focus on understanding the general meaning, not every single word. Over time, his listening skills improved. Another challenge was feeling shy. He was afraid of making mistakes, especially when speaking with native speakers. But he realized something important. Nobody expects him to be perfect. People appreciate the effort, and as long as he could communicate, that was enough. This gave him more confidence to speak without fear. Immersing in the language. One of the best decisions Daniel made was immersing himself in the language. He joined his school's football team, where everyone spoke English. At first, it was difficult, but he forced himself to listen and respond in English. This helped him improve faster because he was using the language in real-life situations. Key lessons from Daniel's journey. Through his journey, Daniel learned some valuable lessons about learning English. 1. Start small. Even a short conversation can be a great first step. 2. Learn in context. Instead of just memorizing words, focus on phrases and sentences. 3. Daily practice matters. Even a few minutes a day makes a difference. 4. Mistakes are learning opportunities. The more you practice, the more confident you become. 5. Stay motivated. Keep reminding yourself why you want to learn English. Sharing his knowledge. Today, Daniel has not only improved his English, but has also started helping beginners. He understands their struggles because he was once a beginner himself. He knows that learning a new language takes time and patience, but with the right mindset and methods, anyone can do it. Start your English journey today. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start learning English, this is your sign. Start today. Take small steps, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. What's your first step? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep improving, and see you in the next video.